If you are interested in learning how to crochet, you're at the right channel. I'm your new crocheter friend QazLa, and I have made these recently. You can easily make these if you are a beginner by watching my step-by-step tutorial on Instagram and TikTok with same name, and directly ask any question if you don't understand anything. Hi everyone, welcome to QazLa Crochet. Today I'll show you how to reuse these plastic bottles. I have so many ideas to make them useful. You'll love those beautiful ideas. I'll make flower pots using these bottles in my upcoming videos. Please make sure to subscribe for future videos and turn on the bell. Let's crochet together with 3mm hook and 3-ply yarn. Make magic ring like this. Then chain 3 in this ring. This chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet. Make 14 more double crochet. In this ring, there should be 15 double crochet in this first round. 15 double crochet completed. Now pull the tail to close the ring. Slip stitch in top of chain 3 and start row 2 with chain 3. This chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet. Make 1 more double crochet in same space. Make 2 double crochet in each stitch. Repeat till the end of this row. There should be 30 double crochet at the end of this row too. Slip stitch in top of chain 3. Start row 3 with chain 3. Make 1 double crochet in same space. Then 1 double crochet in next stitch. 1 increase. 1 regular double crochet. Repeat till the end of this row 3. There should be 45 stitches at the end. Slip stitch to join in top of chain 3. Start row 4 with chain 3 and 1 double crochet in same space. This is our first increase. Then 1 double crochet in next 2 stitches. 2 double crochet in 1 stitch. Then 2 double crochet in next 2. Slip stitch to join in top of chain 3. We completed the base part. Now we have to work in upward position. Round 5 would be V-stitch round, which is 1 DC, chain to 1 DC. But we have to start every row with chain 5 1 DC in same space. This would be our first V-stitch. Then skip 2 stitches and make V-stitch insert 1 space, which is 1 DC, chain 2, 1 DC, repeat till the end. Slip stitch to join in top of chain 3, then slip stitch till V space. Start with chain 5 then 1 DC in same space. Start every row this way. Then 1 DC chain to 1 DC in next V space. Repeat this row till your desired length. I have made 10 rows for my bottle size. Now make same row 1 more time, but change the color this time. Now we have to give it a nice border edging. For this drawing yarn was SC. SC means single crochet in start. But before start, thread the beads onto yarn. With sewing needle and thread, you can easily pass beads into yarn. This way. SC then yarn over hook and make 7 double crochet from the side of the V-stitch, like so. Then 2 double crochet from here, in the middle of V. And 7 double crochet in the other side of V, as I'm showing you. We made our first petal. SC to join in next V space. After single crochet, yarn over hook and make 7 double crochet in the side of V stitch. Then 2 double crochet in the middle of V, and 7 double crochet in the other side of V. Single crochet to join in next V. Now we are doing our last round. Join yarn and single crochet. Yarn over hook and make 4 double crochet in this space. Then pause 3 beads and lock them with chain 1. Make 4 double crochet to complete this. And single crochet to join in the middle of petals. Yarn over hook and make 4 double crochet. Then one with 3 beads and 4 double crochet. Single crochet and join in next middle space of petal. Now we have to make a string with this flower. I have made 1 flower and chain 50 and pause it through these V spaces. To make this flower, or you can put your crochet and make 1 double crochet. This will create a hole to create petals. Chain 2, then 2 double crochet, chain 2, slip stitch for 1 petal. Repeat this and make 5 petals. And we have done. This is so beautiful and useful item. You can use it to organize your vanity or study table. You can put your crochet hooks in it, or makeup brush, or pencils. Hope you enjoy this video. If yes, then likes are totally free. Give this video a thumbs up before you go. Thanks for your time. Stay blessed.